MEKA Crushing and Screening Solutions. Engineering is not just a business discipline for MEKA, it is our DNA. The future begins with a vision of plants yet to be built. Today, our R&D Center, accredited by the Ministry of Industry and Technology, and our team of over 85 specialist engineers are turning these visions into reality. We don't just manufacture machinery or plants. We deliver the intelligence that designs the future, where every detail bears the signature of advanced engineering, profound knowledge, and meticulous precision. To bring this vision to life, we operate within a massive production ecosystem. Across 5 specialized manufacturing facilities, our workforce of over 500 professionals creates an industrial powerhouse. Utilizing state-of-the-art production technologies, we maintain total control at every stage, from the moment raw materials enter the factory to the final shipment of the plant. With one of Europe's largest production capacities, we provide seamless, simultaneous solutions to every corner of the globe. We rigorously validate these solutions, combining advanced virtual simulations with the most demanding physical testing processes. Field conditions are relentless. But MEKA was born for these challenges. From the hardest aggregates to the most demanding mining sites, we offer unshakable durability. With our heavy-duty feeders that guarantee plant efficiency, high-performance crushers, screens, and washing equipment, we ensure uninterrupted productivity at the heart of production. You focus on your goals because when MEKA is in the field, there is toughness, trust, and efficiency. Some measure experience in years. We measure it by successful projects. The power of MEKA is embedded in the smoothly running gears of more than 4,500 plants across 110 countries, from the USA to France, Norway to Chile, and Russia to the Gulf states. Today, the world's top 250 contractors, major mining firms, and global industrial giants rely on MEKA Global as their strategic partner because they know our experience is the foundation of a trust that transcends borders. MEKA Global, the brand the world trusts in crushing, screening, and mining technologies since 1987, with the same passion, the same engineering intelligence, and global trust. MEKA, durable, reliable, efficient,